Okay, I got myself a Synology 1819 Plus. Haven't upgraded the RAM, but let's see what's inside. So this is the power cord shit. So this is the NAS itself. Yeah, I don't have to remove it. I'm gonna remove it with both hands. So there it is. And here's the NAS. Let's open this shit. Okay. So, well, there's the bottom. That's the top. Yeah, we open the bottom. So here we go. DS1819. I was expecting a big one, but it's exactly really tiny. 8 bay. Awesome. Let's set it up. Let's go. Okay, I think I was recording earlier and the audio should be crap because I didn't plug it properly. But yeah, here it is. Here's the Synology. Just don't mind the crap everywhere because I don't want to. So here's the Synology. I like that it doesn't have a power brick. Power supply just inside, so that's good. You have the USB and the LAN and everything else. You know how it goes. And yeah, I got the 8 bay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, my Synology NAS is so slow, even though I only have one hard drive on it. It's connected to a wireless router. So well, I'm gonna try to make it faster. It's running so slow right now. I have 4 Cat 6 cables so that I can do an aggregated connection. Let me try to check. I'm gonna try out on this drive. Let's see how fast is the connection. Okay, it goes around 4 or 5. That's how slow it is. Let's see the read. 9, 12. So yeah, it's too slow. So let's just try to connect the cables. Cat 6 cables. Okay, 4 aggregated lines directly to the NAS. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so trying it out now. We'll see how it just goes. So it's gone better than the usual 10. It goes 60. Earlier it went 80. So yeah, 83, 84. So that should be fine for now. But I'm gonna get a good switch, that way you can get the faster speeds. Yep. Hello guys, and I haven't been vlogging for a while because I've been busy and I haven't been into vlogging lately. So yeah, today's like Wednesday and time goes so fast. It's nearly the end of January and yeah, nothing's going on. Nothing's going on. I'm gonna stop vlogging now. Shit. Hey guys, okay, so for the NAS thing, I haven't been with the networking business for a long time. I haven't tinkered with any computer that much, and also I'm not really into Windows. I'm into Mac right now, and I'm really so stupid about computers right now. So it's like I've been trying to optimize my NAS to give me good speeds because I'm just after the Synology hybrid RAID, and I want the backups. And the good thing about Synology hybrid RAID is that once you try to put more drives, it's just going to allocate it. It's not the usual RAID ones wherein the smallest size of hard drive is the one that you can have for all the array. But as for this one here, if you get one like 16 terabyte hard drive, and if you put another 16 terabyte hard drive, it's gonna read all the drives, even if you have other drives which are 4 terabytes and everything. As long as there are paired two hard drives which are the maximum capacity, so they try to help each other, to try to back up each other or have redundancy with each other. So that's good. So I like it because I only have one hard drive right now. I'm going to put some more, and I'm planning to put on 16 terabytes. That's around 16 times 8, and when will be the backup, so around 16 times 7, I can't count, around 98, 115, I don't know, I'm too lazy to count now. So yep, I'm trying to optimize it to give me the best speed. So currently the best speed for it is the 10 GBE LAN card with a Cat 6 connection. The problem is I'm gonna need the 10 GBE thingy LAN adapter on my Synology. It's gonna cost me, and then I'm gonna need also a 10 GBE switch or a router like the X10, the Netgear X10, and yeah, it's gonna cost me also. And I'm using a Mac, I'm not using a PC or anything. I don't have a 10 GBE LAN card, so, or NIC, so I'm gonna need that adapter that goes 10, that gets 10 GBE and converts it to USB-C. So 3 items I need right now, and my light's flickering. My light just died. Fucking hell. Anyway, need to go now. Bye.